Adobe After Effects is a leading software for motion graphics, visual effects, VFX, and compositing, widely used in the film, television, and advertising industries. The program allows users to create stunning animations, add special effects to video, and compose intricate visual sequences. After Effects excels in integrating 2D and 3D elements, enabling the creation of complex visual effects that combine live-action footage with animated graphics. The software's powerful keyframe animation tools provide precise control over timing and movement, making it a favorite for animators and VFX artists. After Effects also includes a variety of built-in effects and presets for color correction, blurring, distortion, and more, and it supports third-party plugins for even more functionality. The program's integration with other Adobe tools, like Premiere Pro for video editing and Photoshop for image manipulation, ensures a smooth workflow across different stages of production. For example, After Effects Dynamic Link feature allows users to edit and update video clips in Premiere Pro without needing to render them first. While After Effects is extremely powerful, it can be overwhelming for beginners due to its complex interface and the sheer number of features. Additionally, it requires a high-performance computer to handle demanding compositions, particularly when working with high-resolution video or 3D elements. Despite its steep learning curve, After Effects is an indispensable tool for professionals in the creative industries, especially for those involved in animation, VFX, and motion graphics.